If you want Opera GX to open every time you click a link, then in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to make Opera GX your default browser in just a few quick steps. This is really useful if Opera GX is your main browser and you want a smoother, faster experience every time you launch something from your desktop, email, or apps. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips and quick guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Opera GX on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Opera GX is open, look toward the top of the browser and open the main menu, then go into settings. If you prefer, you can also use the keyboard shortcut for settings if that's faster for you. Inside the settings page, scroll or search until you find the section called Default Browser. This is where Opera GX lets you choose whether it should handle your web links automatically. When you find that section, you should see an option that says Make Default. Go ahead and click that button. As soon as you do that, your device may ask you to confirm the change through your system browser settings. If that happens, just follow the prompt and approve Opera GX as the default browser. On some devices, Windows may open the default apps menu, and on others, it may ask you to choose Opera GX directly. Either way, the goal is the same. Set Opera GX as the browser your system uses by default. Once that's done, you can test it by clicking any web link from another app or document. If Opera GX opens automatically, then you've successfully set it as your default browser. It really is that simple, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If you want more step-by-step tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a helpful guide. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Opera GX as your default browser.